just one thing I need.
Is December 3rd at saka nandito ulit tayo sa town. Time check is 3:10. Yes, it's afternoon ulit. Hinintay ko pa kasi si Jan kasi umalis din siya kanina. Bumili siya ng gift for the boys kasi yung gift na binili ni Jan, ipapalabas namin na bigay yun ni Father Christmas sa kanila kasi every year sinasabihan namin yung boys na if they gonna be a good boy, Father Christmas will give them a gift. So yun, nabili na yun ni Jan. Tsaka iniwan ko sa kanya yung mga bata kaya ako hapon na. So eto dapat na bibilhin ko kanya kasi birthday niya bukas. Dapat bibilin ko siya kahapon kasi 'di ba late na kami. Napagsaran din kami ng ng price line doon sa Big W malapit. So ayan. Tsaka dito sa main second choice is to go to the chemist kasi yung chemist dito meron mga perfume. So tingnan natin kung meron akong magustuhan doon para kay Jan. So tara, punta na tayo doon. Guys, papasok na tayo sa chemist. Sana meron sila dito guys. Tayo. Maghahanap na ako ng perfume for Jan. Try ko yung yung Jimmy Choo, yung black. So far itong gusto ko. So I try this, right? Ito sila, ito from here to up there. Hindi ko sila bet ang amot. Ang nagustuhan ko is ito, yung Jimmy Choo one for Jan. Thank you. Get something for Jan for tomorrow. Balot ko na siya kasi nagra-wrap sila dito. Ayan na. Okay. So free. Thank you. Tapos na ako dito sa chemist at saka nakakuha na rin ako ng card sa Kmart. So ngayon punta tayo ng Kohl's kasi kukuha ko ng konting pagsasalu-saluhan namin tomorrow. So yeah, see you later guys. The cocktail was one half a kilo. Thank you. Guys, tapos na tayo dito. Nakabili tayo ng gift, tsaka konting pagsasalu-saluhan namin bukas. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, see ya. Bye. Hello guys. Say hi. Hi. Good morning guys. Today is December 4th and it's Jan's birthday. Time check is 11:25. Binihisan ko na si Holly kasi baka hindi ko siya maasikaso mamaya. Wala naman kami guys na bisita pero plano ko magluto ng spaghetti, spring rolls, fried chicken, ano ba yun, yung garlic parmesan chicken wings, and puto and salad. So tingnan ko guys kung kaya ko silang gawin today. Dad, yes, Dad's birthday. Say happy birthday, Daddy. So ayan, si Holly nakabihis na siya. Show your dress, Holly. Show your dress. Ayan. Nakabihis na siya guys. Nagpakulo na ako ng tubig para sa noodles. Ayan. So ngayon, titimplahan ko na yung tawag na spring rolls kasi babalutin ko pa siya. So, yun, magluto na ako guys. Say see ya. Say see you later, flying kiss. Good girl. Isa pa. Flying kiss. Wala pa rin ako nagagawa. Hindi pa rin ako nakagawa ng spring roll kasi nagsampay ng damit ni Holly. Time check is 12:05 na guys. Siguro gagawin ko muna is yung yung fruit salad para mailagay ko para malamig na siya later. Then next nito is yung spring roll. So yun, pakulo pa lang ng tubig yung nagagawa ko, guys. Holly, close for mommy, please. Close the cabinet, quick. Good girl. Close, good girl. So yan, guys, gagawa muna tayo ng fruit salad. Nakalimutan ko bumili ng condensed milk. Ang meron, meron pala. Kayo, nagawa ko na yung spaghetti noodles tsaka yung fruit salad. Hindi ko pa nagagawa yung puto tsaka spring rolls kasi 'di ba sabi ko unahin ko yung spring rolls. Hindi na, guys, kasi napag-isip-isip ko pag ginawa ko yung spring rolls, nakaupo lang ako nun habang nagbabalot. Sabi ko gawin ko na lang muna yung puto para habang in-steam ko yung puto, gagawin ko yung spring rolls. If that makes sense, guys, 'di ba? Kasi pag ginawa ko yung spring rolls, nakaupo lang ako tapos nakatenga yung puto. So, yun. Gawa muna tayo ng puto, then spring rolls, then tomato sauce for the spaghetti, and then fried chicken. So, yeah, update ko kayo mamaya. What? Bite yan, ah? Yes. No, she's not allowed with lollies. Okay, tayo, ma. Ito ang flavor niya is ube, pandan, tsaka plain. Tapos dito natin siya ilalagay, imo-mold natin siya dito 10. And then time check is 2:30, magto-2:35 na, guys. Gagawa pa ako ng spring roll habang in-steam ko siya. I-heat ko na rin yung para ilagay ko na rin yung chicken. Tapos gagawa pa ako ng spaghetti sauce. So yun, guys, update ko kayo later. Guys, still cooking the puto. Ito, ayan yung puto. Nandun pa, nasa steamer pa yung iba. Maghihiwa lang ako ng onions, tsaka garlic para doon sa spaghetti sauce, tsaka sa spring onions. Guys, hindi ko pa nang gagawin spring onions, spring rolls. Time check is 3:20 na. So, sana magawa ko pa rin siya. So, yeah, mag-chop na muna ako. update ko lang kayo. Ito na yung chicken. Sauce na lang yung kulang niya. Yung spaghetti. Ayan. Ginagawa nasa, nasa processing na yung pagluluto ko ng sauce para sa tomato, sa spaghetti. Tapos, ito na yung puto. Tapos na yung puto, guys. Ayan siya. Kita nyo ba? Ayan, yung puto. Tapos na. So, ngayon, finally, gagawa na tayo ng spring rolls. Time check is 4:30, guys. So, kayo ulit mamaya, guys. One chicken. Done. So, ngayon, finally, gagawin ko na to. Spring rolls. Update ko kayo ulit later. What's that one?
This one.
Okay.
Try the blue one.
Oh, what is it?
No, bye.
Spring rolls, 20 pieces siya. Linakyan ko na yung balot kasi wala na akong oras. It's 5:35 na. Kailangan ko pa siyang lutuin. And ang dinner namin is 6 o'clock. Tapos ipe-prepare ko pa yung table. So, update ko kayo later. Quiet, kuya.
I have one more.
Huh?
Let's one more.
What is it?
One more Pluto.
Puto, not
Yeah.
Pluto.
Pluto.
Puto.
Pluto.
Yeah.
Now which one to try?
Well, I'm not sure what it
You
is.
want this one for you?
No, I'm good.
Mom, when you eat all your tea, you don't have all that bamboo to eat them. Then that will, I will eat them. I love tea.
Okay.
Oh, they want tea?
Whatever. Okay, hurry up.
I have one that tea.
Bigyan niya raw si Kuya TJ niya at si Daddy niya. Ito na yung garlic parmesan cheese with a twist. Yes, may linigay ako dito na I think magugustuhan nyo rin. So, maybe one day, i-share ko ulit sa inyo. So, yung spring roll, linuluto ko na.
Wow, boy, this is nice and beautiful. Sorry, listen. Mom, is that for you? No, Mom.
Ay, is it clean now? Is it clean? Did you take all the toys?
Yeah, Mom, this is
Okay.
what? Mom.
Finally, I'm done cooking and steam. Yan na yung puto, spaghetti, Filipino style, garlic parmesan cheese, fried chicken, fruit salad, and spring roll and cake. So yes, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Come on, let's eat.
Yay! Yay! Hi, Mom.
Yes?
Mommy.
Yes.
Dad, why don't you eat my cake?
You share cake.
Well, Dad will not.
Yes, you.
Dad, can I eat your cake?
No.
Dad, I
Yes.
will eat your cake.
Yes, you.
Everyone eat my cake.
Yeah, because you share to everyone. Daddy will share it with you too.
Hey, hey,
almost done, Sa?
Yep. Good, Mom.
Huh?
So good.
Tastes good?
Masarap.
Huh? Masarap? How about you, Holly?
Masarap. Five more eggs. So good.
Yeah.
One more egg? Mom,
Yeah.
baby's need to get full.
You eat a lot of chicken, Kuya?
Yeah, I'm excited.
That's your favorite.
I just said, full, Mom.
Ta?
Full.
Now sit down, wait for Daddy.
Now news can reveal schools across the state are being encouraged to install flagpoles to boost national pride. Schools can now...
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you. I told my daddy.
Hmm?
Happy
What Daddy said about the
birthday
gift that
to
you
you.
gave.
Happy birthday.
She's looking at me, but say Sarah.
Nice, is that right?
Okay, that's it for today, guys. Good night. Oops. Okay, say good night, everyone. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Paligang ko na to si Holly, oh. Oh, halik na si Mama. Good night. Say bye-bye to everyone. Bye-bye. Flying kiss. Good girl. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Flying kiss.
Me